Cutting a hole with the mill/hole press. First off, make sure your area is clean. Okay, good. Get your bit in here. First, you're gonna hand tighten in here, making sure that you get it in there nicely. Hand tighten, and you're gonna use your chuck key to tighten on all 3 sides, just for safety. Boom, good to go. Make sure you're in place. You might actually roll that guy up just a tad by adjusting this one. I'm gonna set up my piece. I have the holes marked that I wanna cut. I'm gonna use a piece of wood underneath so that I don't cut through that metal in there. That would be bad. I'm gonna clamp this piece in. Okay. I'm gonna look for my hole, adjusting this one for left and right. Boom, I hit the hole there, good to go. Turning it on. First off, you wanna make sure you're at the right speed. Aluminum, 300, 300, okay? Turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. Sometimes you gotta make sure that the fault button's off, okay? There, and it'll start up. Press nice and easy as you go through. You don't wanna go too fast. Just wanna make sure you're getting through the material. Boom, I'm through. Turn it off. Now I can adjust. If you're looking to keep your holes in the same line, don't adjust the forward backward, just adjust the left and right. Look for your hole again. There I am. Turn it on. Boom, I'm through. Good. Turn it off. Good to go. Unclamp. Take your piece out. We got 2 nice holes.